you and Air Marshal AP Singh flew the LCA, and I'm quoting you. You said, I wish he had met me earlier. I would have definitely changed the option to the Air Force." Did you really mean that? That it was such a great experience going up in the Tejas?
See, when we were in school, we used to look at all the three services, and we used to love all the three, if I can say that. It just so happened that I came in army. Let me tell about AP first. As far as AP is concerned, from NDA days, is a gold torchie.
Hmm.
And he is, everybody has a natural liking towards him.
Okay.
He is a man who can collect people together. He is a natural leader. And he takes the ownership in a crowd. But he is a very straightforward man. So, I say in the lighter moment, he should have been in infantry. He's so straightforward and such a team bonding man, he should have been in infantry.
Chalo, I hope you're listening, Air Marshal, to this.
So that is the case that the way he took me around and made me do the loop, which is inverted kind of a taking it, and he gave me the joystick and I controlled that. Then he made me do the barrel roll also. So I feel that yes, if AP allows me today, that's also a good option for me.
But my heart was in my mouth when I saw that and when I heard that aap dono chad pade. I said, like, who has cleared this? Why do we have two chiefs in one aircraft and doing all these stuntbazis? I don't know.
There's a reason to it. We both had vice chiefs.
No, sir. It really does frighten me, you know.
No, but sir, like this was like it must have been really a great ride. मतलब आप दोनों.
पहले कभी नहीं हुआ ना?
This
is
was the first
It
time.
happened in history. But so many things happen in history, like self and Dinesh, class fellows becoming chief.
Yes, that also, that I want that story. In the 6th grade, you were together in Sainik school.
From 5th onwards, we are together.
in Sainik
5th
school.
onwards, we are
तो
together.
सोचा था उस वक्त सर कि ये दोनों साथ चीफ्स होंगे?
हम तो स्कूल से ही आगे नहीं बढ़े थे. हमने तो अफसर बनना भी नहीं सोचा था. ठीक है?
हाँ. Who got better grades?
See, Dinesh is definitely better in everything. He is tall. ठीक है? And we both were good in maths, if I can say.
But you have come first on the podcast. Dinesh sir, आप देख लीजिए. Sir has beaten you in that.
No, but Dinesh has taken over first. So he is senior to me. So he will decide whenever he wants to come. And he tells me to come here, I have come here.
Okay. अब पता लगा.
How was it like in those days, and how is it now, sir? What has changed, sir?
In front of media, we are up and about. And we are stiff upper lip.
Okay.
But once we are together, then we just hold each other and keep talking to each other like school days.
How much is this personal camaraderie very important, especially in tense situations? You know, if I was to go back, if you had a general not getting along with the commander, I don't want to name, but there were times like in the 71 war, ego battles hoti thi. But if the three chiefs and the CDS have a good personal rapport, how important is that?
आप इतिहास खोल के देख लीजिए. Negotiations have always been successful if two people knew each other or knew about each other's personality. So what it means, if two rigid people are talking to each other, then you don't expect an outcome.
Yeah.
But here what is there, that when we three are sitting together, chiefs of staff committee also, we can have any kind of a discussion, it just doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
Because our personal rapport is so good with each other that the professional differences, even if they are there, we are ready to accommodate because we all are progressive by nature. We want jointness and integration to come.
Okay.
So even if says, okay, you take a step back here, I take a step back, it's acceptable.
Okay.
So moment you are ready to negotiate, because negotiation, the principle is it should be win-win situation for all.
Okay.
But if you're rigid, then it's a win situation for you and loss situation for others. That is the difference. So here we all three look at, we three must be winners towards the end.
Right. And
Sir, any examples you can give where your friendships, because right now we have 2 classmates and 2 course mates as 3 chiefs. So
point.
how has it helped?
So did you ever think that as an army chief, I'll accept ADC from the other service?
Oh.
Because he'll be privy to my conversation when I'm talking about the other 2 services. But today, all the 3 service chiefs have accepted And the 3 ADCs have been selected, and within 15 days you will find that they will be reporting to each other.
So you are getting an ADC from Air Force, sir?
I am getting from Air Force. AP has already made me meet him. And from my side, there's 11 guards officer who is going to Dinesh, and Dinesh is sending to the Air Force.
That's nice. That's absolutely. We were talking about movies. Do you three chiefs discuss films की ये वाली picture जो थी क्या दिखा रहे थे? Army officers ऐसे थोड़ा ना करते हैं, फौजी ऐसे थोड़ा ना करता है. Do you really talk about these kind of things? Do you laugh at it?
As of now, I think the 3 chiefs do not have time to watch movies. So that we may not be able to speak out.
Huh.
But definitely we talk about that how our aura should be there, what should be the protocols in terms of our soldiers, our jawans, how should they behave. And these things we keep talking about.
Yeah.
Because you'll find we are the forces all over the world trusted most, respected most. So we must stand up to the expectations of the entire environment.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.